Hi guys, this is 16 here, and today I'm going to be, oh my god, powder on my face! Hey! Okay guys, SG16 here, and oh my god, I need to be, yeah. Hi guys, this is 16 here, and today I'm going to be doing an experiment with Squishy, my friend. Yeah, you should know Squishy. He's Squish. I think you guys know that already. Oh my god, he smells about to come out. Okay, I think I should hold it. I don't want it to come out. Look at Squish. No face looks to come out. Stick in, my. Don't come out. Okay. This is what happens when you put Squishy into water. Yeah, water, not water. Water. Jesus. We'll fill that up in 15 minutes. 15 minutes later. So here it is, the water after 15 minutes. I know 15 minutes, but too little, right? Okay. Are you ready? Squishy, you're going to be okay. I know it floats, but look what happened. Wait, what happened if you squish it on the water? See. What? It got. Make bubbles come on. Wait. Mouth almost come out already. Don't come out. The eye. Okay, let's see. See, look at put out this. It's a bubble for real. Okay. What happens when you put it up here and it comes down? I totally have no one around me. Not even on the floor or above. Okay. See, look. Some water. There's some water. There's one water. There, I'll see. Wait. Jesus, come down. I think I should push it first. Oh, mouth. Okay, see, look. Comes out a lot. And yeah, I'll clean this one because I hate messes sometimes. Okay, what should I get to clean? Okay, I'll get a tissue then. Wait guys, okay, I'm not going to pause, but I'm cleaning this. Nothing is clean enough. Yeah, what do you guys think? And yeah, here's all the experiments happening, and see you guys. Wait, that's a fail. I need to do it better. See you guys.